Hello and welcome back. In this short video, we are going to look at how to remove backgrounds using Plasfy's built-in function. Removing backgrounds is very important and it's very useful in so many different projects. Say for example, you are creating a thumbnail for your video and you want the picture of some object or a person to be overlaid on some background that you want, or some graphic design or vector design. You can't put some image like this and expect to create a beautiful design. It's not going to work. You need to remove the backgrounds, and in this video I'm going to show you how, and we'll look at a few examples to get a better picture, a better idea of how you can do it. So here on the screen I've got 3 images on the slide, and if I have to remove the background, I would click on any of these images. There is a menu, a contextual menu that opens up, and the second option here, which is like this square with diagonal lines, that is the one to remove the background. So I clicked on this image. I'm going to click on remove background, wait a few moments, and it should be done. Okay, so there we have it, our diamond with the background removed. Now you can see that the image still retains its original aspect ratio. So what we're going to do is crop it. Okay, click on that, click on crop. Okay, crop click on the image, the image where the background has been removed. The first option here is crop on the top menu. Click on that. Use the side or the top middle handles, these handles, to crop the image to how much you want. Okay, that sounds good. There we go. Alright, so now we have our image which we can put anywhere. Let's do it for these two also. Let's see how it works. Remove background. I selected the image. Click on the image to select it. Okay. When you right click, no, you don't get the contextual menu there, but here on top, remember it's the one with the diagonal lines in the square. Remove background. Wait for a few moments and your image should be ready. Let's watch. There we go. Your image is ready. Now let me show you some examples. Now here's an image that I got from the templates directly. Now I want to get rid of this background. I want to change this background and have some text. So how do we do that? Let's see. So first thing, I've added some background. I just went to backgrounds. I went to images. I selected an image and added it. Now let's remove this one. So let's click on the image, click on remove background, and it should be ready with a totally new background right now. Wait for a moment. Our image is ready right here on the new background. Well, it doesn't look very natural, so you find a background that makes the image look naturally fitting. So let's take another example. So I have this image here, so that's the image, that's the banner or whatever I want, and I have this image of the photographer, and I want to put both of these together. How? This is green in the background and this is all orangish, amber, right? How will they fit in? If we don't remove this background, they will not fit in. So let's see what I did. So I just clicked on that image, remove background, and this is what we get. Just change up a little text and you have a totally new design for yourself. Let's look at another example. So let's do it together. Real estate profits, the complete guide to massive passive income. So this is an image. Again, it's from a template, but this is an image from Pixabay. Let's click on the image. Let's click on remove background. Wait a few seconds and you should have a totally new image that's completely blended in. It's like it's gonna look like it always fitted in. There we go. Right, let's look at another one. All right, I've got the image of a highway and I've got the image of this car. So now we're going to do two things. First, we're going to remove the background, and then we're going to try and reduce the size of this car so that it looks natural on this highway. So first, let's remove the background. This is just I'm just scratching the surface of what you can do with images which have their backgrounds removed. Okay, so there we have it. It looks too big here, so let's first crop it so we can position it even better. Let's position it, let's size it up and position it. Okay, that big should be good. You're gonna adjust the size so that it looks natural in that surrounding, in that environment. That's how you use these cutout images. And of course, you also have a ton of cutout images right there in Plasfy, and it comes as a bonus for you. You can download them and use those images wherever you want. But why do you want to do that when you can use the remove background feature, right? So this is a small example of what you can do. Let's try one more. I've got a table at the background, and let's remove and put this laptop on the table. Quickly, let's do it. Let's see if it removes everything except the laptop, or will it keep the cup and some of those other accessories which were on the left. Okay, it kept the cup. And I think we can leave it like this. Let's crop it up a little bit. Do I want the cup? No, I don't want the cup. So let's remove the cup. Okay, done cropping. Now let's resize it. And we have a new design. As simple as that. So one last thing, we've got we can use remove background on objects like we did it on the flowers or the diamond. We did it on people. We did it with objects like the laptop, and now let's try it with this animal, and let's see if we can put this donkey in some good surrounding, some natural scene. Okay, let's see what happens. Okay, there we go. This looks very natural. I don't need to crop it, so I'm just gonna resize it. Okay, it looks like we have taken a close-up shot of the donkey, and it's a completely new picture. We can add some text on top, customize this, add some graphical elements from the vast library of clip arts, and voila, you've got a beautiful design. Okay, so that's about it for remove background. I hope you understood what you can do with it, and also have seen how easy it is to actually use this function. Go ahead, try it, use it, and let us know how you fared. All right, so thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.